my friends. Today I show you how to use your new Farnsworth communicator. Yeah, today in 1852 we invented the Farnsworth communicator, and we show you also how to make one. Yeah, I'll show you how to make one.
Elm I use. I try a bit on an off cut, see if that's the same color. Good one. If you have the time, you let that dry, but methylated spirit evaporates very quick. Let's glue this on here. Wood glue wouldn't hold much because it's already varnished. Use epoxy, fast drying, fast, it's got to be all fast. Fast things, for fast drying, fast cast, from Barnes products, all these things you got to know in the industry. So I got my little buttons here. My buttons are just 3D printed. So I don't know which one, so I might as well put all of them in and use them later. So then I need acetone from Bunnings. It's too full that I can't really pour it properly. Rice cooker, and turn it on for 1 minute. So by the time I got the foam, they had a minute, you can see it on the bottom bubbling. And then we leave it for at least 40 minutes. Now with the lid open, it can dry out. So I'm going through Google Pictures under Farnsworth communicator and found this picture here, which inspired me to make this video. So that's what I'm trying to replicate in approximately to make this video. I had some old cable from a friend. This I have flying around for a while. This I just got today on eBay, so I can start shooting. (1968). Scene 1, take 1. Bunnings lights on, microphones on. Action!
Yeah, today in 1852 we invented the Farnsworth